Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix mail app not working or not responding or not opening error on iPhone. So many users were reported that they were struggling with the mail app after a recent iOS update or some other update, and they were not able to open or access the mail app. So if you are also into the same situation, don't worry, just follow the methods one by one. So the very first method is to restart your iPhone. So for that you have to press the volume up, volume down and power button. This will restart your phone, or you can simply go to the settings. After that go to general, go below, and here you will get shutdown option. Click on it, and once your phone restarts, now check if the mail app is working on iPhone or not. If not, next is to check server status of Apple. So you should check if there is any server downtime. You can visit the website that I have already provided in the description. Just have to open the link that I have already provided in the description, and there you have to check whether there is any server downtime or so. If yes, you have to wait for some time, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, or if you are using Wi-Fi, then go to mobile data, or do vice versa, or you can enable airplane mode and wait for some time and again disable airplane mode, and after that check if mail app is working now. If this doesn't work, next method is to check mail fetch settings. For that you have to go to settings. After that go to the app section, and or simply here you can search for mail. After that click on mail accounts. After that click on fetch new data, and here you have to ensure whether the push is enabled or disabled. It is disabled, you have to enable it and set it as automatically in the below section. And once you have done this, go back, check if the mail app is working now or not. If not, you should check the date and time settings. For that again go to settings. uh, After that, here you have to click on general. After that go below, click on date and time, and here you have to check whether set automatically is enabled or disabled. If it is disabled, you have to enable it, and after that check if the problem you are coming across is fixed or not. If not, next is to remove and re-add account. So for that you have to go to the settings. After that click on apps, or simply search for mail accounts. Search for mail accounts, and after that click on Gmail, and here you will get delete account option. So click on delete account, and once you have deleted the account, add it once again, and after you add it, now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next method is to check notification settings. For that go to the iPhone settings, and after that go below. Here you have to click on notifications. After that select your mail. So go below, select your mail, and after that you have to check whether allow notifications is enabled or disabled. If it is disabled, you have to enable it, and after that check if mail app is working on your iPhone or not. If not, next is to check your iPhone storage. For that go to settings. Here you have to click on general. After that click on iPhone storage, and here we'll find if there is less storage space or so. Whatever storage is available on your phone, you will be able to see here. So make sure there is no less storage space, and after that try to launch the mail app and check if it's working. If not, next solution is to reset network settings. For that go to the settings on your iPhone. After that click on general. After that go below, click on transfer or reset iPhone. After that click on reset, and then click on reset network settings. So after resetting the network settings, now check if the problem you are coming across is fixed or not. If not, next method is to delete and reinstall the mail app. So if your mail app is Gmail, you have to simply select it. After that click on remove app, and then click on delete app. So this will delete the app from your phone. After that go to the app store, and in the search option you have to search for Gmail, and again you have to reinstall it. Now after reinstalling it, now check whether the mail app is working or not. But if the issue still continues even after following all the above methods, then you are suggested to contact Apple support. You can visit the official website to tell them the issue you are coming across, or you can also visit your nearest Apple store and tell them the issue that you are facing. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.